plan was to wake up before sunrise. And instead we woke up in a cloud. I don't know if it's actually raining or if it's just condensation sticking to everything. I can tell you that my tent is soaked and all of my camera gear is soaked. The Bronco, check, it's soaked. The ground, not quite soaked. So I don't think it's rain. I think it's just wet, sticking to everything. Woo! I think the sun is now technically up. Yeah, and I think it's also started to technically rain, and it's no longer just condensation. Comm check, 1, 2.
Good check.
Huzzah. So I've always known the day would come that I have to make a video in the rain. So I bought a little raincoat for my camera and it kind of fits. I actually think I got a size too small. Whatever, it is what it is. I don't have a microphone on there, but I do have this little guy. So hopefully I sound all right. I also can't check the exposure. So it's just, we're learning together, you and me right now. This camp spot is really cool. The clouds and everything have started to lift a little bit, so that ceiling is rising and we're starting to get views of what's going on around us, and I think it is spectacular. I would 10 for 10 come back here. We called this the Motel 6 of camp spots because we just needed a spot to start our trip, and I found something on Onyx Off-Road, who is the sponsor of this video, and this is what we got. So if you are interested in finding camp spots that are better than you expected, download Onyx Off-Road. It is crazy simple to use. I honestly just start looking for blue routes when I'm planning an area. If there aren't any blue routes, I can find routes like this one, which are just green routes. And then I was just going through satellite looking for a clearing alongside the trail. And this one is huge. I mean, you could fit a smattering of people in this spot. So I found this in satellite view and I thought, all right, let's go check it out, see if it's a real camp spot. And lo and behold, this is what we got. So mad props to Onyx Off-Road for having software that makes finding spots like this possible. If you want to find a spot like this, there is a link in the description. It can save you 20% on Onyx Off-Road. Thank you, Onyx Off-Road. Let's get on an adventure. So this trip really isn't an overlanding trip. I think I'm gonna call it urban landing. It's really the redemption trip for me to finish my coastal drive, because when I did it last time, after we left the beach and crossed into San Francisco, I got COVID. So I'm now doing it in the opposite direction, from south to north, to hopefully finish this trip and end at that same beach where I realized I was sick.
California 1.
This is road closed ahead.
Can I say this really quick?
So this could be bad news, because we just pulled up to the start of the trail and there's a road closed ahead sign. Either that means it's closed way up high and we're fine, or it means where we want to camp isn't going to work, but the gate's clearly open, so we're going to try it anyway. Just parked. Nobody is up here. It's bright out. Give me a second, everybody. Come on. There you go. And yeah, this spot's pretty sick. It's a little chilly. Hopefully that doesn't get too bad. I really hope that the rain doesn't like kick our butts tomorrow, because coming up that was 12 degrees. And going down it in the rain is gonna suck.
It'll be steep.
Yeah, be sliding down that. I've been scouting with the drone, and there might be another spot one knoll up. So we're gonna cruise up to that and see if it has even more views, which I can't imagine anything could even have any more views after where we're at right now. pulled up here to this spot and closed to vehicles. So, yep, got a no vehicle sign here. No vehicles. It's all right. Man, this is so pretty out here. I really hope that the weather doesn't turn south tonight, that we can just get out of here nice and easy.
So this spot is cool. It's very typical Big Sur, rolling golden hills and ocean.
Right.
But we lose that side of the view where you see the mountain and the seaside.
I agree.
1 minute up, there's a spot where you get the full 360.
Let's go 1 minute up.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I mean, other than this spot gives you that tree you can hike out to.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
For me, I like the mountains. I like to see the layers.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go that way then.
Okay. I see your hill. Yeah, that's nasty.
When you were trying to, right after we talked on the walkie, I ran up to the top of it to check it out. So I have some photos, but yeah, it's just steep.
Yeah, I don't think I would drive up that. Where do I want to put my butt? All right, let's check out this new view. Ocean, tree, mountain with some beautiful little clouds on there. Yeah, and there's that crazy hill right over there. Yeah, that's not. I think tomorrow as it starts raining, we don't want to be anywhere near that kind of stuff. So yeah, this works. This is fun. Beautiful spot. it has cooled off significantly and it is dark at 7:04. I fired up the Bronco. I'm gonna jump in there and offload footage and stuff like that. But before I do, I'm gonna air down the tires because it is supposed to rain tonight. And the start of tomorrow's video is gonna be a soupy mess, or at least that's what I'm predicting. So rather than airing down in a morning rainstorm, I'm gonna air down tonight, and that way all I have to do is take down the tent as fast as I can. So, whew, that does it for tonight's video. That was fun. It was a fun day. It was wet, but beautiful. Finally got to see the ocean again. And I'm ready to warm up. Hopefully I can stay warm. I've got an electric blanket up in the tent. I'm losing my words, it's so cold. So let's end this. You're gonna wanna stick around because I'm sure tomorrow is gonna be entertaining. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, you know, in the next one. Until next time, I'm Justin B. McBride.